So explain, so 40 weeks?
40 weeks in a day.
40 weeks in a day?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's been going on?
My left side, because I'm supposed to be sleeping on my left side, every single time I move and I lay on the bed and I turn a little bit, it pops out.
Okay, so when you lie on what side?
Left side.
You're lying on the left side.
Yes.
Okay, and then so let's do this. We're going to check your whole spine.
Okay.
And what we find out of alignment, we'll put that back into alignment, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Sounds good.
So let's go face down on here. And I'm just going to come.
Yep.
Oh, is that okay?
Yep.
Okay. Good. Just that alone, I felt a lot of tension release here. So now, yeah, right through here. We're going to have you lie on your side facing me.
Okay.
And bring this up. Good, lie on your back. Good. Excellent. We're going to have you slide down a little bit.
Is that good, or do you need me to go lower?
A little bit more.
Okay. You tell me
when.
when.
Once you lift up your head,
Okay.
I'm going to slide this little thing right there, so you slide a little better.
Okay.
And now, and lift up your head. Right there. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath. Now, where did you feel that? Feel that
Right here.
there?
Mm-hmm.
Feel that stretched all down low?
Yeah.
It's all the way down there too.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, let's go ahead and turn to your good side.
Okay.
And face right there. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here for a moment. Okay. Excellent. Okay, power's
Okay.
on.